PULS. This is the PGIM Ultra Short Bond ETF. The 5-year annualized return is 3.70%. The trailing 12-month yield of this ETF is 4.95% paid monthly. So does PULS fit in your portfolio? It was made back in 2018. There are currently $12.7 billion in assets under management. Its expense ratio is 0.15%. You can currently buy a share for around $50. Almost 2 million shares trade each day. The bid-ask spread is 0.02%. The portfolio turnover rate is 40%. The beta of this ETF is 0.03. The Sharpe ratio is 1.12. And the duration of these bonds is 1.35 years. Alright, so we're going to build a 60-40 portfolio worth $1 million and test out a withdrawal stream of around 5%. And we're going to use Invest USA to help us build a portfolio. Available on the iPhone and the iPad. So for our foreign bonds, we're going to use 7% JPIB. Our corporate bonds, we're going to use 10% FALN. For our government bonds, we're going to use 7% in SPIP. For commodities, we're going to use 12% in IAUM. And for money market, we're going to use 4% in PULS. For our equities, we're going to use 10% emerging markets in HEEM, 12% international in IHDG, 12% in technology with VGT, 12% US small cap with RWJ, and 14% US large cap with RDVY. So in the settings of Portfolio Visualizer, we're going to change the time period from month to month, the initial amount of $1 million, and we're going to withdraw a fixed amount of $4,000 each month, and we're going to rebalance the account monthly for those who really want the monthly income. Using this 60-40 portfolio, we can see back to July of 2021. So over the past few years withdrawing an income, your money's still grown. The returns of this portfolio have been 8.69%. During 2022, this portfolio lost only 12.28%, has a best year of 18.47%, and a Sharpe ratio of 0.48. So withdrawing over $150,000 from this portfolio, you can see the money is still grown since our initial balance on our retirement date. Invest USA, download it.